Hello stock stalkers, interesting session in the market today. Watch out the video till the end. I'm sure this will benefit you, and if it does, do not forget to smash the like button. With that, let's start the video. Alright guys, so we analyzed yesterday that we saw a green candle, but it was indecisive candle. It means market is still not decided if it wants to push to the upside or the market wants to come to the downside to retest the lower levels. Today again what we are seeing is a bigger indecisive candle right here. It have closed below yesterday's closing. Therefore we are in red. Bigger indecisiveness means market is still not decided if it wants to go to the upside or to the downside. Now the best part is when we see a breakout. If we see a breakout to the upside, this move is going to be a bigger one. Or at the same time, if the market decides to come to the downside, it can come back to retest the lower area that is around 2480, or it can come back to retest the 200-day exponential moving average, that is this white line, and then it can decide the next move. So this was the market index. Let's check out some stocks now. First stock, Emaar Properties. If you have seen my yesterday's analysis, I had mentioned 0.270 is a strong resistance area. Yes, yesterday's closing was right at the resistance. Guess what happened today? I'm sure this is what I'm trying to explain. Retail traders must have entered at this candle thinking, okay, let me buy here. Market will go up till the resistance and I will sell my stocks with profit. But did they buy it with a confirmation? No, they did not. Today what happened? Market opened with a gap down. It came back for a retracement at the lower levels right here. At the same time, it retested the upper levels as well, meaning this is an indecision candle, more of a bearish, but still we can't say anything. Market will go up or down from here. Do not enter till there is a confirmation. I did mention once you see a green candle right here, it's good time to enter and you can take your profits right here at the resistance that was around 0.280. Next stock is Deyaar. As I keep mentioning, market does not move in one direction. It comes down for a retest and moves up again, comes back for a retest and moves up again. This is what you call an uptrend, an established uptrend rather. Now, what we are seeing in Deyaar, we saw a solid green candle right here, but it cannot just keep moving to the upside. It's coming back for a retest now. If buyers are really strong at these levels, now what will happen is it will make a new lower high. It will come back for a retest and then it will push to the upside. Then we can say yes, the trend is established. GFH, as we can see, it's been trading within this tight range. Also we can see it have tested the upper trend line so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5th time. Also, I did mention in my yesterday's analysis, this is a strong area of support and resistance. Today what we can see is a break of this support area. Now it's highly expected that it can come down to retest the lower levels right here. Now also at the same time here, plenty of buyers must have entered at this level thinking that the price will shoot to the upside and they will be left behind. This is purely FOMO, fear of missing out. Do not get into FOMO, wait for a confirmation right at the support level, let it come back for a retest. When you see a bullish signal, a break in the trend line, enter the trade. This is called a perfect setup, high probability trade. Damac Properties, we had discussed this stock as well. After the breakout, market should come back for a retest at the previous resistance, which will now act as a support. Did we see any green candle here? Nope. Instead, the market opened with a gap down and then again it pushed to the downside, meaning there are no buyers sitting here. Whoever have purchased the stocks right here, they are stuck in losses. Obviously, they want to clear out their positions. They are selling in loss as of now. That is the reason I always say wait for a breakout of the resistance. When it comes back to retest the support area, which was previously acting as a resistance, we can clearly see this was resistance right here as well. It broke the resistance, it came back for a retest. We saw this green candle, enter the trade here. This is your profit. Similarly, when it comes back for a retest, we enter the trade. As of now, no trade in Damac Properties. It means this is a false breakout. Emaar Properties, another good example of FOMO, fear of missing out. Retail traders must have bought the stock right here. When it opened, it pushed to the upside. Oh my god, the stock is going up, let me buy it now. my target is huge, I will sell at 4.20, I will make millions and millions of dirhams. No, the stock market don't work like this. We can clearly see this is an area of resistance. A strong resistance is here. When it tried to break through, it could not, got rejected. We can clearly see a bearish hammer candle, inverted hammer candle rather. Today again it did try to retest the same level, got rejected. Buyers who bought at these levels are surely in loss. Again they want to square up the positions, they will sell it in loss. What are the chances now? There are good chances after two bearish candles, market can come back to retest these areas, and again we can see a bounce from here. Emaar Developments. Guys, I hope my videos are helpful. If they are, smash the like button. Also, what did we analyze on Emaar Developments? Clearly we discussed this one. It's in a downtrend, it's making lower lows and lower highs. We do not buy a stock when it's in a downtrend. We always want to buy a stock when it's in an uptrend. When it comes back for a correction, we enter in this area after a confirmation. Similarly, this stock is in a downtrend. I did mention yesterday as well, this area is strong resistance for Emaar Developments. Clearly yesterday's candle was bearish. What we can see today is a solid red candle to the downside. Also, it have broken the immediate support area and more downside is expected. Salama. This particular stock I can recommend to buy. Why am I recommending this? Let's analyze. We can clearly see this white line right here was acting as resistance. Why do I say this? We can clearly see previously it was trying to cross, got rejected. When it crossed with a solid green candle, it came back for a retest. It took a bounce here. Again, when it's trying to cross, it got rejected with this solid green candle. We can also see in our recent price action, price was trying to break through, opened with a gap up, straight away came down. Very good example right here. We can clearly see it got rejected, smashed down at the lower support level, and now we can clearly see a decisive breakout. This is a good breakout and it's not a false breakout. Why do I say this? We can clearly see it came back for a retest right at the support area. Now we can see a green candle, meaning buyers have accumulated here. They are trying to push the price to the upside. This can be a very good trade. I would recommend this to enter right here at 0.890, maybe in tomorrow's opening if you did not buy at today's closing. Your stop loss would be very tight right at the support level, that is around 0.87. Your target is very good. You can keep a good target at around 0.940. That's it guys for today. Thanks for watching and keep stalking.